We Grow Hair Indy now has all the medical solutions to hair loss all in one place.
Welcome to We Grow Hair Indy, now the largest medical hair restoration clinic in the Midwest. More space, more comfort, giving you privacy and confidentiality. Whether we are creating a new hairline, filling in the crown area, or helping you keep the hair you have, you can expect the very best in permanent and natural results. Come see the results you can have from the ARTIS robotic FUE to our trademark procedure multi-unit hair grafting.
And leading-edge biotech solutions using your own cells and plasma like PRP and exosomes.
It begins with a free evaluation and ends with your hair and your confidence restored. Call 888-724-5129 for your free in-office or virtual evaluation. Find out how We Grow Hair Indy can grow your hair back.